Welcome back to Day 1 German, Episode 2 of 20. I'm Felix, Week 1, The Foundations.
And I'm Leonie. Yesterday you met the verb to be. Today, the other verb you cannot live without.
As always, one real news sentence. Leonie, real news speed.
Die Kanzlerin hat 2 Kinder und wohnt in der Hauptstadt.
A profile of a politician. The kind of sentence that opens half the interviews in German news.
Here it is, one more time, slowly. Die Kanzlerin hat 2 Kinder und wohnt in der Hauptstadt.
The key word today means has, Leonie.
Hat.
Now it's your turn. Repeat after Leonie out loud.
Hat. That's from the verb haben, to have. Felix, why does the news love this verb so much?
Because yesterday's verb tells you what things are, and this one tells you what people have. Children, money, problems, plans. Half the news is people having things. Leonie, I have.
Ich habe.
Your turn. Repeat after her.
Ich habe. You have talking to one person. Du hast.
Repeat it out loud.
Du hast. And she has, like our chancellor. Sie hat.
Your turn.
Sie hat.
Now listen to the three together and catch the pattern at the ends. E. S-T. T.
Ich habe. Du hast. Sie hat. And here's the secret, Felix. That ending pattern works for almost every verb in the language.
Exactly. You're not learning one verb today. You're learning the machine. Full table on the lesson sheet at LinguaWire.com/day1. Now who has? The chancellor. And Leonie, Germany's head of government gets a different word, depending on whether it's a man or a woman. Right?
Right. Listen to both. A man, der Kanzler. A woman, die Kanzlerin.
Hear that little ending on the second one? That ending turns almost any job female, and you'll hear it constantly in the news. Your turn. Repeat the woman's version after Leonie.
Die Kanzlerin. Die Kanzlerin. And what does she have? 2 children. 2 Kinder.
Now you, out loud.
2 Kinder. 1 child, many children. Listen to the pair. Das Kind, die Kinder.
The whole family. Mother, father, son, daughter, brother, sister, is on today's lesson sheet. You'll hear them in every human interest story. And where does she live? In the capital.
Die Hauptstadt. Sie wohnt in der Hauptstadt.
Your turn. Just the capital. Repeat after Leonie.
Die Hauptstadt. Now, Felix, today's quirk, and this is the one you can actually see.
Go on.
If you ever look at a German newspaper, the text looks strangely bumpy. That's because every single noun, not just names, everything, wears a capital letter. Kanzlerin, capital K, Kinder, capital K, Hauptstadt, capital H.
And honestly, it's a gift. In any German sentence, you can spot the things at a glance. Your lesson sheet is printed that way for a reason.
And she lives. Repeat after me. Sie wohnt. Sie wohnt. Sie wohnt.
Back to where we started. Leonie, slowly first.
Die Kanzlerin hat 2 Kinder und wohnt in der Hauptstadt.
The chancellor has 2 children and lives in the capital, now at real news speed.
Die Kanzlerin hat 2 Kinder und wohnt in der Hauptstadt.
2 days in, and you just understood a sentence with 2 verbs in it.
Now the best part, your turn. The whole sentence, out loud. Repeat after me. Die Kanzlerin hat 2 Kinder und wohnt in der Hauptstadt. Sehr gut.
Day 2, done. The verb to have, and with it, the ending pattern that runs nearly every German verb. The chancellor, the children, and the capital letters.
Your lesson sheet is at linguawire.com/day1, free. The full Haben table, the whole family, today's 25 words. And the 10-minute homework is right there with it, built on today's sentence.
8 minutes of listening gets the sentence into your head. 10 minutes of homework keeps it there.
Morgen, die Regierung, die Polizei und die Armee.
Tomorrow, the government, the police, and the army. The day we crack the 3 words for the. See you then.
Bis morgen.